Hi, Amy. My name is Christian Rinna with RinGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use to increase your online presence on your own. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you. So you're not going to be competing with multiple agents and playing the game of who pays the most money gets the best leads, or even leads being sent out to multiple of the same agents. And so a couple things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. The first being content. But before we go there, I'd like to point out that I am happy to see that when we look at your Facebook page, it shows you're a realtor. So you're letting everybody know, hey, I'm a realtor, and that's awesome, because believe it or not, a lot of realtors don't even have the fact that they are a realtor on their Facebook page. So Facebook's a big thing nowadays, and you have that, so I'm happy to see that. I wanted to point that out. And then also, you do have your own website. So amybolan.com. When we type on that, when we click there, it brings us to a Remax hosted website. So I am happy to see that you have a website. Obviously, you understand the value. Obviously, you bought your domain, but it doesn't look like you have your own specific website catered to you. It's more so a Remax website that is kind of generic, and then it just has you listed on the bottom here. So how much money and leads is this website actually bringing you? How many people are finding this website on their own, and then finding you through it and then contacting you? That's the real question. And so I would suggest, I don't know how much you can actually do to change this website, but especially with real estate websites, either A, get your own, or B, see what you can change on this one. But either way, with real estate, what is so very important is content, but content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the photos, how the photos are saved, what's behind the photos, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. And so content is king when it comes to search engines, and especially in real estate. The thing to keep in mind is that how you save your photos matters. So I'm sure you've known, but a lot of times when we upload photos on the computer will create a file name for the photo that we don't determine. So usually it'll be random letters and numbers, random, it'll just say picture 1 or ABCDEFG XYG, right? So search engines read how that's saved. And so if it's saved as those random letters and numbers or pick 1, it's not going to bring any value to you. It's not going to help you rank your site. So do some homework and figure out the best way to save those photos. So really it's buyer intent keywords, but it even goes down to the size of the photos, and a lot of other things. So do your homework, but just keep in mind that how you save your photos matters. Next is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. And so those directories would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All of those are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Charleston, South Carolina realtors. Okay, we have agent-owned realty, we got Chucktown Homes, we got ERA Wilder. Okay, one thing I want to point out is that okay, so your Remax website is here. So I am glad to see that. It's not your specific Remax website, but it is a Remax website. So that is good, at least to see that. But more importantly, I want to point out that we have individual agents with Google My Business pages. So we have Joyce King, we have Ashley something, Smith Spencer, Stephanie Davis, Brandy Keener. So we have Jeff Cook. We have agents. So I don't know if you're a broker. I don't know if you're just a realtor, a broker. I don't know if you are trying to expand, or how, your goals and how far you want to get. But I would highly suggest getting a Google My Business page. Whether you're a broker or not, you can get your Google My Business page right here. Joyce King is a realtor. So a couple things. This is what it's going to look like. We suggest 25 reviews. So Joyce has 6. we suggest 25 minimum. Keep that in mind. Obviously, everybody knows the importance of reviews. We recommend 25. Next is these photos. So Joyce actually has only one photo, and this is the Google Drive-By. So this photo doesn't count. You want to make sure that your photos, you have 10 of them. First of all, you want to upload 10 photos, and then again, you want to make sure that all 10 of those photos are saved the right way. So this Google My Business photo doesn't count. Joyce has no photos. You're going to want 10 photos. You're going to want all 10 of those photos saved the right way. And then 25 reviews. Other than that, this is what a basic Google My Business page looks like. I would suggest getting one, doing those things with the citations and your photos and your reviews, and it'll help you rank, and you'll definitely make some money like Joyce is, I'm sure. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere that your domain can be found. So anywhere that amybolan.com can be found, which actually takes us to the aboutcharlestonsc.com website. So what I want to point out is backlinks. So not all backlinks are created equal. We want our backlinks coming from relevant sites that aren't spammy. That's what you need to keep in mind. With your website here, my platform I use, which is Ahrefs, ahrefs.com, we don't have any data on your backlinks, any data on your referring domains. It's showing that you're not ranking for any keywords, and your domain rating is a 4.9. That's a 4.9 out of 100. So you're going to want to get yourself some more backlinks. Just do your homework and get yourself backlinks from sites that are relevant to the business and that aren't spammy. That way they don't hurt you, and they help you rank your website, get to the top, be more visible, and in turn bring you some more money. So other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business to bring you some leads and in turn some more money. And if you have any questions or comments, please do feel free to get in touch with us. And thank you very much for watching.